Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share, and this one is for Lifescraft. I will link that down in the description below. Is a store that has dies and has so many crafting supplies, you guys. Go over, check them out, and their dies are pretty cute, you guys. So I am doing this collab with them, and I ended up choosing this die as well as this one right here. And this is actually a bag topper, and this is, of course, it's a little envelope with the little inside for the little card, or you could place it outside. You guys, this is so cute. It cuts really good. So let me go ahead and show you. I did pre-cut die cut this so I could show you what it looks like, and so far it's been pretty good. So let me go ahead and see. So let me go ahead and take this out so you guys can see. And there you go, you guys. So all you have to do is just fold it up like that and go ahead and use it as your bag topper. You could go ahead and decorate it or use it as is, and then all you do is bend this down here, and there you go, you have a bag topper. So this is what I ended up creating, this little cute little bag topper. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, so cute. So this is my bag topper, and then I also figured you could use this as an actual doily. So it doesn't necessarily, you could do two uses to this, not necessarily just a bag topper, but a doily as well. And this is what I ended up creating. This is my little project right here. And of course, here is the bag topper as a doily, and I did double layer it, so there is a yellow and a pink under it. And there you go, this is what it looks like. And so that is that for this right here. And again, this is for this bag topper right here. And then I also did this one right here, so it cuts pretty nice and neat. This is what it looks like when it is cut. And all you have to do is bend it right here on the sides, bend it right here on the sides, like it's already pre-made for you. So all you have to do is just glue it. I mean, you save so much time just doing this. And there you go. All you have to do if you want to is decorate it. Add your little card in here, and I should have a little card. And you guys, look at these. I love how you could see the detail on here. You guys, that's so cute. And this is the little card in the middle. This is it right here. Like I said, you could, once you glue it, you could insert this as a little card, or you could do a double layer, and I'll show you what I did right now. Or you could put this on the outside and put a saying right here, or you could put a sentiment or decorate it. And this is what I ended up creating. This is my little card that I made, envelope and card, and then this is a pocket right here. So this is this right here, I just folded it in half. So if I wanted to put an extra note in here, just go ahead and stick it in here. That's what it looks like. And then inside, I went ahead and folded my piece of paper, went ahead and ran it through my die cutting machine. So now I have a little card right here. So alrighty, you guys, so I will link Lifescraft down on the description below, as well as the items I received from them, as well as a discount code. So go over, you guys, check them out, take advantage of the discount code. It is amazing to be able to use all these extra discount codes because you get extra savings. And thank you guys for the time, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.